wonder where we are. Where are you, Marco?
Where are you? Where are we? I think people know by now. Look at that. Look at those cranes. It's like some Martian invasion. Look at that. Flags. Are those pirates' flags?
They're pirates.
Yeah. Come on, make the round. I'm freezing. All right, look at us. And magically, ta-da!
We're here.
Here we are.
The airplane's flying over.
Yeah.
It's always
You
good.
wanna aim? Should I come behind you? Okay.
Yeah, there you go.
There you go.
I think that works.
A little noisy. That's the city airport in London. That's where we are.
Right there, right behind us.
And right above
Jet,
us.
the jet and above us. We're in their
Well,
airspace. Here we are.
Here we are. We raised it there 6 times.
I know. And where are we? We're here.
We're here.
Infosec London.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's about to kick off. The doors are opening, and
In about
I don't know,
15
20
minutes.
15,
So we have
20
to go
minutes.
get our badge.
yeah, here we had our coffee and croissant,
Yep.
and I'm ready to roll.
Yeah. So we did a couple of videos really quick. They were kind of funny. They may not be they're not going to win an Oscar, I think.
I know.
Especially the one from last night from the pub. A
I
lot
know.
of lights in the back. But
Yeah.
we're on a mission. We have multiple cameras. We are our own cameraman and and sound guys, and we also do the interviews.
Yeah, we did the interviews.
And there are plenty of those. Sean, what do you got planned for today? Day number 1.
Editing and producing.
You're just editing and producing? You're not
No,
going to record first?
No, I think I have a lot of recordings. To be honest,
You
I
don't
don't
know?
know it all in my head. So you
No,
have to look
that's
at
why I got it right
You have
here
the calendar?
for me. Who am I going to have today? Bunch
There
of
you go.
editorial.
All right,
Jeff White.
I like Jeff.
I
Jeff's a
think
good
this
guy.
will be my interview number 4 with him. First time RSA conference. He writes a lot of books.
He does.
He has a show on the BBC.
yeah.
He does a lot of investigative journalism in cybersecurity. Gang,
Like
ransomware,
big deal stuff,
yeah,
yeah.
money washing, and is a great storyteller. So
Yeah.
always happy to see him. And then I have a few other people before it started. It started raining here.
It is starting
I
to
got
rain, yeah.
James Morris, I got Brown Boyley, and then I got Lee Clark. Actually, going to be tomorrow, I believe. But and a few more, which we'll update you later on. And we're
Yes.
going to talk about community. Mental health in cybersecurity,
Right, cyber
and
health, yeah.
how behavioral, studies and way that we approach cybersecurity. Because as we learned by now, it's not just tech.
It's not Ditch Tech.
No, sorry, man.
All
I'm
right.
gonna break it to you.
I
It's
know.
not.
I
It's
like-
not 1993
I
anymore.
like building stuff, but there you go. It's always the human.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I have a lot of brand stories, some highlights and some spotlights, and yeah, some in the media room, some at the booths on the show floor. So I'm excited to share all their stories, talking about tech. Right? They're going to want to talk about tech. I'm going to bring them to the outcomes, so how their solutions help businesses, and how their businesses then can help their customers, whether they're other businesses or consumers. And it all ties together, right? Humans behind the keyboards, humans buying products, businesses working together. It all needs to be cyber safe.
You can try to put it in silos.
Yeah.
It's like this globe, this world. Everything
Yeah.
is connected. The business is connected with society. When we go home,
Yep.
we have our family. Everybody needs to be safe and secure, and we just cannot lock the door. And everything is connected. And I'm excited to live in this world.
I know.
I'm not excited about the rain, so we're gonna go inside,
All right.
and we'll
So
see you guys
let's call
later.
it here. Thanks, everybody. Peace out.